Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure conversational skills with VIPKid step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of conversational skills in teaching. Familiarize yourself with VIPKid's curriculum and teaching style. Explore the resources provided by VIPKid for teachers. Engage in training sessions offered by VIPKid to enhance your teaching methods. Practice using the materials provided in the lessons. Focus on fostering an interactive learning environment. Encourage students to express their thoughts and ideas in English. Ask open-ended questions to promote deeper conversations. Use supportive and positive feedback to build student confidence. Incorporate games and activities to make conversations enjoyable. Utilize props and visual aids to enhance understanding. Record yourself teaching to identify areas for improvement. Seek feedback from peers or mentors on your teaching approach. Join online forums or groups for VIPKid teachers to share experiences. Attend workshops or webinars focused on enhancing conversational skills. Regularly self-assess your progress in building conversational skills. Stay patient and adaptable to each student's learning style. Continually practice your own conversational skills outside of teaching. Engage with different media in English to expand your vocabulary. Remember that building conversational skills is an ongoing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.